Hello and welcome. My name is Masood Jamshidian Tehrani, and I'm about to show you how to use PCLA, a framework for testing autonomous agents in CARLA Simulator. For that, you can just simply follow the tutorial in the GitHub repository. You first need to set up CARLA, download CARLA, either use the quick start installation or build the CARLA from source. You can also decide to download additional maps or not. After downloading and extracting the CARLA, you have your CARLA here, and then following the instructions, you first clone the repository. So you can clone the repository wherever you want. I'm just gonna clone it here. And then going inside the folder of PCLA, there is an environment file where you can easily install all the dependencies required by the PCLA. So you can go ahead and create an environment, that Conda environment, and then activate and go inside that the PCLA environment. So following the tutorial, you need to download the pre-trained weights because we need them in order to have a pre-trained autonomous agents for our vehicle. So after downloading the pre-trained weights, you have to move the pre-trained weights inside the PCLA agents, and then after extracting, you have to put the weights besides every agent. So like here, what it said, garage pre-trained should be besides garage, and the same for all other agents. So I'm gonna wait for it to extract, and then I go inside here and move all of these outside the folder close to the other agents. So the PCLA is now ready. We have compared a sample code, Python code here, for ease of use. We can just use this code to test the agents. So for now, the selected agents is neat. So what we have to do is that first we have to run a CARLA simulator. So we go back to here, open another terminal, and then run this code to open the CARLA simulator. Going back to the PCLA with the environment, we just wait for the CARLA to open. We just run the Python sample code, and we can see that the car should move with the agent of neat with the sample route that we have given. You can change the route and also change the agent. So let's now go ahead and change the agent to see how it works if you want to, for example, use the garage aim agent. To use the garage aim agent, you just change this to garage aim, and then replace the hashtag with the seed, with the training seed you want, from 0 to 2. So I'm just gonna use the 2 seed. And then to run garage agents, we need to set some environment variables. So we go and you see that for garage aim, we need to export direct 0. So we just export direct 0, and then we can run the sample code with the garage aim 2. The vehicle is now working based on the garage aim2, and you can see that it's very different from the previous vehicle's movements. So we close it, and then let's now move to another agent. Just remember to unset an environment variable before using another agent. For example, if we have used the direct, we have to unset direct. If we have used our uncertainty threshold, we have to unset this as well. So I'm gonna unset direct, and then let's say I want to use interfuser. So in order to use interfuser, I will have to change this agent to interfuser. And then for that, I have to also export routes and route to my given XML file. So I say export, and then I need the route to my XML file, which is here. So I just copy the route and give it here. So now we are ready to run the code with interfuser agent. We can see that for interfuser agent, we also have the view of our sensors. This is how to use and change the agent, your autonomous agent. I'm just gonna quickly go through the code. In order to use the PCLA, you need to import PCLA here, import the framework, and then just using the PCLA class, you need to pass the agent, vehicle, route, the word and client, which are the two variables of the CARLA, and then you have the PCLA class. Whenever you want, you can ask the PCLA to give you the action, which is the output of the agent, of your chosen agent, for one frame. The agent decided based on the sensor. So for one frame is the output. You can decide to apply control to your vehicle or just do whatever you want with the output of the agent, which is the control, which is called a control action in CARLA. Quickly going through all the other things of the code, the sample code, you can change it based on whatever you want. But the sample code first imports the CARLA, and then we have the CARLA client by calling CARLA client with localhost and 2000 of the port 2000. And then we have the word, which is here, client.getWorld. And then using the world, we can spawn our vehicle using the blueprint library, choosing our vehicle model. In this case, I chose Tesla Model 3. Then you have to have a spawn point to spawn your vehicle, and then you have your vehicle using world.spawnActor. You can also move the spectator however you want, and also you need to tick the world in order to spawn those actors you just spawned. Then give the agent here, also the route, the path to your route here, and then you have agent, vehicle, route, world, and client to the PCLA, passing to the PCLA class. And then you can use the PCLA framework to just simply change between the agents. Thank you very much, and goodbye.